Hi everyone, Charlene Bauer, Ladies Off-Road Network. And since Live at 5 did not work out so hot from Old Faithful, welcome to the kitchen. We have to eat dinner next. That's next on the list. So I thought I'd bring you into the kitchen and we'd do a quick cooking show while we talk about going camping because, well, we're going camping. Yes, we are. And when you go camping with me, you get to eat all kinds of yumness. So I'm going to say my hello for the next time. How many times are we going to do this today, huh? Alright, there we go. We're back. And here we go. So on tonight's cooking show, we are going to make raviolis. Because it's late here in Montana / Wyoming. And that's what we decided to make. So raviolis it is. Now, in the RV, you have to use bottled water all the time. You can't necessarily use tap water out of the tap. So we're going to go ahead and not have enough. I didn't prep for this, by the way, just so you know. So, onto another bottle of water. But you should have bottles of water, even though you have good water at the RV parks. You should still cook and drink out of the bottled water. So, here's Piston, helping as always. But while I'm doing this, make sure you guys are signing up for the BFG tires, right? Because we still have this month in order to sign up for those BFG tires. Now, in RV land, you usually have covers over your stove. So we'll put those over here. Get Piston off the counter. And the next irritating part is trying not to blow yourself up when you turn your stove on. So you see you need to do easy with the propane and it lights. This one has a unique opportunity to it where you kind of have to wait for it to do its thing. Water's on. Alright, by the way, we're making raviolis tonight for dinner. So, big announcement is we are doing another Non-Lon-Con II. Yes, we're on fire. So, Non-Lon-Con II is going to be September 23rd to 28th. That is a date change for those of you who had the inside loop on the Non-Lon-Con. So September 23rd to 28th is the big plan. So all those pictures that you have seen with everybody doing cool things on the Non-Lon-Con, you too can join in. You absolutely have that opportunity. So, there will be 30 people and 14 vehicles available. We'll still have the camping packages available. 2 days of trail rides, 1 day of camp with a field trip. And you're going to learn tons. And you're going to eat great food. Lots of it. Lots of it. Everybody that has been to now the Non-Lon-Con and camping with me knows how much food you eat. So you are going to leave fatter than you came, more tired than you ever thought you would be, and what was the other one? Oh yeah, learned is the other one, right? And you're gonna have new cheek muscles that you didn't know from laughing so hard, and that is going to be the Non-Lon-Con II, September 23rd to the 28th, which is a date change for some of you that had the insider scoop on it. Alright, now then we're moving on to another awesome opportunity. Isn't this fun to be able to put cool things onto your calendar? October 19th through the 24th, we are going to go to Moab. Well, at least the ladies that went to Non-Lon-Con. So if you've done a Non-Lon-Con, then you have the opportunity to come to Moab October 19th to 24th. Same challenge, 30 people, 14 vehicles, camping packages will be available, and 4 trail days, which means nap, 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 and nap before you come, because you know what happens when I say we're going trail riding. Yeah, they're big, long days. I'm going to max out your time for coming to Moab. I think it's really important. It's a long way for a lot of people to come, and we are going to enjoy that opportunity. I'm going to take you on some of my favorite trails. I'm going to take you to some of my favorite places. Again, you're just coming to camp with me. We're just going to hang out. We're going to have a great time. And we're going to eat really, really, really well. Oh, I got to start the sauce. Hold on, I'll tell you my trick. Alright, so, pan, sauce. Where's the sauce? The sauce got moved. Sauce got moved. Here's the sauce. Alright, sauce. But, it's fine. We'll live. But, there's a trick to the sauce. Wait, right there. Let me get the trick. Remember, Moab is where you want to be. Clearly, this was not planned. None of this was planned. It was supposed to work great at Old Faithful. Who's been to Old Faithful before? Have you been to Old Faithful before? So here's your trick to your sauce. A can of diced chilies. Yummy. So you take a can of these, open it with your can opener, let some of the juice come out. We don't want all the juices because we don't want our sauce to be saucier. So you go ahead and let the juices come out, and then you take your can and you put it into your sauce, and voila. Now you have good sauce. Just like that. Alright, Moab. Oh, I should stir that. Hold on. Stirring. Should probably also start that one. Hold on. Fire. So Moab's going to be a blast. It's going to be a lot of fun. But you got to come to the Non-Lon-Con in order to be a part of it. Kind of the trick of the trade here. Make sure that everybody's kind of on the same page, everybody knows what's going on. Alright, there we go. We'll heat that up. Yummy. So that's Moab. On Monday, August 17th, 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. I am going to be talking about this. I don't know, is Bonnie on right now? Bonnie's probably not on right now. Arlie, you have the email. Cindy, you have the email. Can somebody drop the link to the Non-Lon-Con for Apricot, please? I sent them to Bonnie earlier for the 5 o'clock one. So the Non-Lon-Con link, you can sign up for the phone call for Monday, August 17th. It's at 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock. We're going to talk all about the details of it. Also, on that exact same time, we are going to be talking about all the details for the Moab trip. So you can come and eat my good cooking, because it really is good. And it's not just me that's cooking. There's all kinds of cooking. So that's August 17th. Now, I don't know, I might be blowing the cover on this one, but I'm going to tell you where I'm going on September 18th to the 20th. I have been invited to the Pacific Northwest for the Jeep Girl Tribe Camp Out in Long Beach, Washington. So I'm really excited to be going there for that weekend. So it's really fun to finally have cool things back on the calendar, right? So the Non-Lon-Con, September 23rd to 28th. That's a date change. Moab is October 19th through the 24th. On Monday, August 17th, we're going to have the talk about all the details for both. And then September 18th to 20th is the Pacific Northwest Jeep Girl Tribe Camp Out. Now, another date I will suggest that you put onto your calendar is a party in December in Arizona. It's probably going to be the second weekend in December. So we're going to party. We're going to talk about the challenges. We're going to celebrate the challenge girls. We're going to celebrate the resolution girls. We are going to celebrate all of our birthday girls, including Miss Wendy, who's going to be Yep. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah. That's what I got. It's all a bit crazy right now. So then, you pull out your raviolis. Because, well, that's the way we're rolling right now. And you gotta keep stirring your sauce so it doesn't make a big mess in the RV, because that's never a good thing. And then once my water starts to boil over here, it will be good, good, good. Turn this down. Gotta cut these open. Got the full office in here too, you know. That's just like right there. Printer, everything you could possibly need. So that's about ready to go. Then we'll put our buns in the microwave. It'll be ready to rock. Alright, so Arlene, what link was that one for, actually? So let's help him out, because that must be the Non-Lon-Con link. And then there's going to be a Moab link. And you can sign up for the phone calls. The only way you can get onto that phone call is by signing up through those links. So you can learn all about it. But I am really excited that we're going to have another Non-Lon-Con II. I know a lot of people had challenges with like the turn and burn on getting here in 7 days, which was nobody's fault. So now we have an opportunity to do better. Yeah. Alright, what else you guys got to talk about while my raviolis cook themselves? Anybody? Anybody got anything to talk about? What did you have for dinner tonight? Non-Lon-Con link. Alright, awesome. Awesome. And then Moab. And then we have our leadership conference that our leadership group knows about. That's in November. And then in December is our party weekend that'll be in Arizona. And we'll be celebrating all the challenge ladies, all the resolution ladies, and all of the birthdays for the year. I will say too, pork chops with roasted veggies. Yum! Love that. That sounded good. I have to go to the grocery store tomorrow and get some more stuff. So we had a leadership call on Monday, and our leadership group agrees that we are carrying on with everything as planned as far as the resolution and the challenge goes. Nothing other than time. Nothing other than time has changed. So we'll still be rocking and rolling on all those. You guys will be getting more and more and more. And the end will just be at the end of the year. And then we are going to celebrate like we've never celebrated before. Again, remembering the challenge, top 10 ladies for the challenge, you get to go to Moab with me. But it's going to be in the spring, I guarantee it, because it's also one of those things where I wanted to make sure that everybody had a safe opportunity to join us. I don't want it to be where one or two of the girls that are in the top 10 decide that they don't feel comfortable doing it. So that's part of it. Alright? Alright. Gotta keep stirring here. Here's another trick. So these are those Hawaiian rolls. I still had some left over from our last camping trip, because you guys eat really good on these camping trips, so you should really come. And then you take a paper towel and you wet the paper towel just a little bit, and that gives you your moisture. And then you put it in your microwave, and we'll pop those for a minute when it's time. But it's not time yet. Alright, so what else? Oh, the S'mores challenge. Oh, look at this. S'mores challenge. So here's a bag of candy ready for the next s'mores challenge. Yeah, didn't overbuy that at all. And It's I have it in the refrigerator because I'm scared that it was gonna melt. So s'mores challenge is insane. Yes, a lot of fun. So that's going back in. And of course, the s'mores challenge, like you can have cookies and cream, or you can have Hershey milk chocolate. This was part of something else that we did for another dessert one night. This was part of something else we did for another dessert one night. What else do you want to see in my refrigerator? You want to see the rest of what's in the refrigerator? Let's see. I do need to pull the chicken out. That's tomorrow night. We're going to defrost one of the last bags of chicken that we have and do a crock pot meal because that's yummy. I do a lot of crock potting. Yeah. So anyways, this is super random. Cooking with Charlene tonight because it's super late and it didn't work out going live at Old Faithful. So hopefully you guys got a little bit of information out of this, other than I'm crazy as always. But yeah, BFGoodrich, get your giveaways in. Get them in. Extra entries for telling a friend. Non-Lon-Con II, September 23rd to 28th. The date has changed. 30 people max, 14 vehicle max. I do have camping packages. I encourage you to fly in. I encourage you to make it work. 2 days on the trails, 1 day camping with a field trip, and you're going to learn a ton. Moab is then going to be October 19th to the 24th. 30 people, 14 vehicle maxes. Camping packages definitely available. We're going to have a ton of fun in our little camping zone. And 4 days of trails. So nap ahead of time. I'm going to maximize your time. And then on Monday, August 17th, 5 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern, we're going to have the full-on talk about all the details for both of these trips. So if you're interested, you need to sign up to be on that call. Then also on my calendar, the Pacific Northwest Jeep Girls Tribe Campout is in Long Beach, Washington. I'm going to go to that September 18th to 20th and get to teach, which I'm really excited about. And then party in Arizona. So November we have our leadership conference, and then in December will be a big party with more details to come. Yeah. Good enough? All right. We're just going to let these boil. We're going to put our buns in for a minute, and we're going to eat dinner because it's a little late, but we were tourists today. All right. Any questions? Any comments? Any crazy? Anything? What do you guys got? Woo! I got a cat on a counter that's now gone. Anything? Or are we good? We good for now? I'll see you guys on Monday for the call. Yes? Yes, 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 yes. Definitely join us on Monday for the call. Let's get you guys all lined up for your next camping trip so you can eat all this good food. And then next Tuesday from somewhere where I promise I'll have much better internet. I'll be live at 5 for sure. I think this is the first time that I actually haven't been live at 5 in over a year and a half. A year and 8 months. That's crazy. I know. But it wasn't like I didn't try. It's not like I didn't forget. Any other questions? Are we all good? Everybody happy? Happy. Alright. I'm excited. We got all kinds of fun to come. It does feel good to have something on the calendar. It does really, really feel good. We got a lot of work going, a lot of positive stuff going, and I love it. So, thank you all. Have a great night. I'm going to finish my raviolis and sit down and eat. Yummy. Good night.